everyone, this is Suman Tiwari, BTech first year student, EC department, representing MIETW Artificial Intelligence Virtual Startup Program. We are taking part here in the competition Artificial Intelligence Global Summit 2020 initiated by Government of India, where we are presenting a startup project Artificial Intelligence based upon optimized signal communication with all planets. Before we start the explanation of the project, let us have the image which contains the planet associated with the magnetic fields. Every planet has its own magnetic field. Now, our entire project concept works with this particular magnetic field and how we are converting this magnetic field into rotating magnetic field and then into superconducting magnetic waves in order to communicate with other planets. The main concept of this project is we use planet Earth as the reference where the transmitter is located. Through the transmitter at the same instant of time and send signals to all the planets, which is very time communication. It's going on to be held. Till now we are using single output, single input system where from one planet to another planet only. But with this project with optimized solution minimum input maximum output, we can send the signals at the same instant of time to different planets and try to receive the signals from those planets back to the Earth where the transmitter and receiver are present. Let us have a complete view of our project which we have done in the MATLAB software. The very first block in our project is the planet Earth. We have created the model using the software program. In our project, we got the transmitter circuit in the planet Earth, which is entirely superconducting transmitter. Now, superconducting transmitter generates superconducting magnetic waves, which have a speed equal to the speed of light, and whose intensity strength will exist for a long period of time when compared to ordinary electromagnetic waves. Compared to ordinary electromagnetic waves, these waves are very strong. These supermagnetic waves are received by nano-robo satellites. In the space, we are supposed to incorporate series of nano-robo satellites which are equal to the number of planets. The first satellite receives the signals and transmit to the planet, for example Moon. The next satellite does the same action for the planet, for example Jupiter. All the remaining satellites receive the signals and then signals to the corresponding planets in order to effective communication between the planets. Now using the resonance block, we should operate its signals and transfer to the corresponding planets. You can have a look on the planets. Very close to planets we have nanosatellites. See the corresponding value through the signals and receivers. These block which contains nanosatellites, they receive the signal from the other planet and send signals towards the planet Earth. Our intention here is to send the signals from one planet to other planets. Our ultimate aim is to send multiple signals from one planet at a time. The blocks here indicate maximum energy and signal value. This generates the waves and then send the signals to the planet Earth. Now, let us have the look at the output graph. Now, let us check the output graph. This output graph is the proof that the signals from the Earth, and the bottom proof is that clarifying signals from the other planets. Now, let us see what practically exactly inside consists of robo-satellites. They consist rotating magnetic field as well as electric motors. Rotation of the motor makes nanosatellite to turn around in the space and to have different values. At last, we have done the simulation and started prototype for this project. Thank you.